Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to adjust the iPhone ringer volume on incoming calls, on alerts, and it's very simple. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So the first thing you actually want to do is go over to your settings on your iPhone and click on sounds and haptics. It's right below notifications. When you're there, you want to make sure that when this is off, change with buttons, it says the volume of the ringer and alerts will not be affected by the volume buttons. If you switch it to on, it will be affected. Meaning, if you use the buttons on the left of your iPhone, you also change the volume of ringer and alerts. If you don't want to do that, you can just change it from here and do whatever you like around it. So if this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one. Bye.